Hi everyone, Uncle Arnel is here and I'll be helping you solve the problem on the board. We have here, one card is taken from a deck of cards. What is the probability of getting a face card? Now, if you are not familiar with cards, then you won't be able to solve this problem. So let's review first. How many cards are there in a standard deck of cards? We have 52 cards. How about face cards or sometimes called court cards? We have the jack, the queen, and the king. And how many are jack cards? There are four. One is heart, diamond, spade, and club. So there are four cards. And likewise, there are four queen cards and there are also four king cards. A total of 12 face cards. Now, let's define what is probability. Probability is the ratio between the favorable outcomes and the total possible outcomes. So we have how many are favorable to us? There are 12. Since we are just looking for the probability of a face card, it doesn't matter if it's jack, queen, or king as long as it's a face card. So therefore, we have 12 options because there are 12 face cards. And then out of the total number of cards, we have 52. And let's simplify this by getting the lowest term. Let's divide both numerator and denominator by 4 over 4. So we have 12 divided by 4 is 3. 52 divided by 4 is 13. So our answer is 3 over 13. That's all for now. See you next time. Stay alive.